Hello, everybody, and good evening, all. Across much of the world, there has been a huge surge in the number of coronavirus cases. And across the UK, there has been a very sharp rise in the number of positive COVID-19 cases over the last week. For nearly the past week, we have managed to see over 50,000 COVID-19 cases, and sadly the death toll has soared over 1,000 over the last week. This is a huge concern for everybody living across the country. The new mutant COVID-19 strain here in the UK is causing havoc across the country, with it being up to 50 to 70% more transmissible, which means it is a lot quicker to transmit, therefore spreading more rapidly across the country. That means the government has had to take unprecedented measures to protect the public from coronavirus. And this evening, my message to you across the whole country, to all you Brits out there, is please everyone, stay at home. This is the safest place at the moment. Staying at home can actually be something that you can enjoy, spending time with your family. But it also does come with quite a few challenges. For everyone staying at home, it means having to sacrifice a lot of the things they would usually love doing. So, from the early January, you would have seen the address from the Prime Minister, Boris Johnson. And it's simple. You are only allowed to leave your home for very few reasons, and reasons permitted in law, in legislation. They include to exercise once a day, to shop for food and essentials as infrequently as possible, and also to escape domestic abuse. And also there are a couple of other reasons you can leave as well. All that information is available on gov.uk/coronavirus for more information. Across much of the NHS, hospitals are overwhelmed and some are on the brink of collapse. Many beds across the country are being taken up by very seriously ill COVID patients. And if more are admitted in the next few days and the next week or so, hospitals could be on the brink of collapse because they will not have enough ventilators, enough intensive care beds, not enough doctors or nurses, and that really is a huge concern. So the government have taken necessary measures to protect the public. That include all schools moving online and only opening them for vulnerable children and those of key critical workers, such as NHS staff and also bus drivers and delivery drivers. Also, all non-essential businesses are shut, including close contact services such as beauticians and beauty salons, and also non-essential retail, and also other premises that sell non-essential retail have had to shut. And all gatherings are massively restricted as well. Many social gatherings are banned in public. We recognise the challenges that this will mean for people's mental health. It is going to be a huge challenge for everyone. However, though, we have no choice to do this. The scenes across the country are very, very grim. And over the next week or so, things will look very, very nasty indeed in the hospitals. To all you guys out there who think you're invincible and you want to just go out there and break the rules, I just urge you not to do that. Because right now, we want to protect the British people and the public. It is extremely important to keep everyone safe. So, the individual choices we make over the next 5 or so weeks are crucial. We are rolling out the vaccine. We have 2 vaccines that are being rolled out. The Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine and also the Oxford-AstraZeneca vaccine as well. These vaccines mean that we can see light at the end of the tunnel, and we know this is the only way out. However, though, the government has got to really start accelerating the vaccination programme. We need to see vaccinations massively accelerated over the next few weeks. if we want to see that true light at the end of the tunnel. That means we need to vaccinate, according to the JCVI, all those over 80, health and social care workers, NHS staff, over 75s, over 70s, and those who are extremely clinically vulnerable. We need to see these people get the vaccine because they are the most at risk from serious disease from COVID. So, we have got to make a very, very important mission, and we've got to make important sacrifices across the country over the next 5 or so weeks. The road ahead is going to be long, and sadly, many, many lives will sadly be lost. Many more families will sadly lose loved ones before their time. The road ahead is going to be never-ending. The weeks ahead are going to be extremely tough. But what can I say is that everyone just please stick together and just abide by the new restrictions and the new rules they're in. The police have the power to fine those who are caught flouting the rules. Please everyone, stay at home, protect the NHS and save lives. And together, we will get out of this crisis on the other side. We will be able to vaccinate Britain, and together we can come out the other side of this and rebuild our country stronger than better than ever. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about this message, please like and subscribe below and comment down below if you want to hear what your opinions are about the situation regarding the pandemic. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. And as I've said before, stay home, protect the NHS and save lives. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.